Morning, guys. Just wanted to share something with you. Just off the cuff here, I was something I was working on, and I get so busy I forget to make videos on some of this stuff to help out other people that are just starting out gardening like I am. But here's a little tidbit here for saving seeds. You want to save your seeds dry. They need to be really dry. Any moisture at all that gets in with the seeds is going to be damaging to the seeds. It can actually cause mold growth or bacteria growth in the seeds and make them not viable for long-term storage for the next season or 2 seasons out or whatever you're going to plan on saving them for. So what you want to do is you want to keep these in an airtight container with some kind of a desiccant. The best thing that I've found is to use the desiccant packets that come with all your appliances and stuff. When you open the box, there's a little packet in the bottom. I save all those, and I use them for the seeds, and I use them for other things too, like freedom seeds and stuff like that. But anyhow, this is what I wanted to show you. If you don't have desiccant packets and like these kind, like I've got in this can here, you can go out and get you a bag of this stuff here. Let's see if I can show it to you. There we go. Silica gel crystal cat litter, and this is an 8-pound bag. I got it at a grocery store, a local grocery store, for I think it was about $10. And this is enough silica gel here that I can use to make desiccant packets for probably the next decade until they start, until things get back up and running again, if things do shut down or whatever. I've got enough here that'll last the duration. I'm not going to have to worry about desiccant packets again for a long time. So anyway, all you got to do is get you a pinch of this, just like a little 3-finger pinch of it, and drop it into a paper towel or a piece of toilet paper or anything porous like that, and even a piece of cloth. If we run out of paper or whatever, you can drop it into a piece of old t-shirt cloth, and you fold it up around the crystals, and you can put a piece of tape on it or tie a little string around it, and that'll make a nice little packet, and you can just drop it in there with your seeds and you're good to go. That'll keep them dry. Just make sure if you're using a larger jar or something, be sure to use the appropriate size. If it's something like this is a little oversized. The packet I've got in this is almost too big to fit in a bottle, but that's just what I had handy at the time. Also, these I like to use versus using jars. I mean, a lot of people like to use baby food jars. That's fine. The problem for me though is that I get a little clumsy sometimes, and if I drop this and it's full of seeds, I've got a pile of seeds all over the ground and broken glass. And maybe I'm gonna pick them all up. Maybe I'm not gonna find them all. So then I'm losing, So I use these. These are those veterinary little pill bottles. And they make these with a gasket because the dog's medicine usually comes in like a little moist morsel. So they got to keep those good inside here. So what they do is they have a little gasket in the lid. It's a little better than the regular pill bottles, like the ones you get from Wally World or wherever. Because those, there's no gasket. So these are not, the regular pill bottles don't work when you're trying to seed save, so don't use those, because they will not work unless you seal them somehow, because there's no gasket. But anyway, that's what I had for you. I just wanted to share that. Get you some of this. You get you one of these bags. This will last you for a good long time, saving all your seeds, and should be good to go. All right, y'all have a good one.